1. Effluvium, EFFLUVIUM. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a foul or unpleasant odor or exhalation. Example sentence, the effluvium emanating from the garbage dump was unbearable. Synonyms, stench, odor, aroma. Antonym, fragrance, perfume, scent. 2. Effrontery, EFFRONTERY. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, bold and disrespectful behavior or impudence. Example sentence, his effrontery in speaking to his boss in such a manner cost him his job. Synonyms, audacity, impudence, nerve. Antonym, politeness, respect, humility. 3. Effulgent, EFFULGENT. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, radiant, shining brightly, or full of brilliance. Example sentence, the effulgent sun cast its golden rays over the sparkling ocean. Synonyms, radiant, luminous, brilliant. Antonym, dull, dim, gloomy. 4. Effusion, EFFUSION. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, an outpouring of emotions, words, or thoughts in an unrestrained manner. Example sentence, the actor's effusion of gratitude towards his fans was heartfelt and emotional. Synonyms, outpouring, expression, gush. Antonym, restraint, suppression, inhibition. 5. Ego, EGO. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a person's sense of self-esteem or self-importance. Example sentence, his inflated ego prevented him from accepting criticism. Synonyms, self, self-importance, self-worth. Antonym, humility, modesty, selflessness. 6. Egoism, EGOISM. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the belief in or practice of placing one's own interests or well-being above others. Example sentence, his egoism prevented him from considering the needs of others. Synonyms, selfishness, self-centeredness, narcissism. Antonym, altruism, selflessness, generosity. 7. Egotism, EGOTISM. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, excessive or exaggerated self-importance or self-centeredness. Example sentence, her constant bragging showcased her egotism. Synonyms, arrogance, conceit, vanity. Antonym, humility, modesty, selflessness. 8. Egotistical, EGOTISTICAL. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, characterized by excessive self-importance or self-centeredness. Example sentence, his egotistical behavior alienated those around him. Synonyms, arrogant, conceited, self-centered. Antonym, humble, modest, selfless. 9. Egregious, EGREGIOUS. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, outstandingly bad or shocking. Example sentence, the politician's egregious misconduct led to his downfall. Synonyms, flagrant, outrageous, appalling. Antonym, minor, insignificant, unremarkable. 10. Egress, EGRESS. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the act of exiting or leaving a place. Example sentence, the emergency exit provided a safe egress for the building occupants. Synonyms, exit, departure, withdrawal. Antonym, entrance, arrival, ingress. 11. Ejaculation, EJACULATION. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a sudden and brief exclamation or utterance. Example sentence, his loud ejaculation of surprise startled everyone in the room. Synonyms, exclamation, interjection, outcry. Antonym, silence, muteness, hush. 12. Elaborate, ELABORATE. Part of speech, verb/adjective. Meaning, verb, to give more details or information, adjective, intricate and detailed. Example sentence, she took the time to elaborate on her findings during the presentation. Synonyms, verb, expand, clarify, expound, adjective, intricate, detailed, complex. Antonym, verb, simplify, condense, summarize, adjective, simple, basic, plain. 13. Elaboration, ELABORATION. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, the process of providing more details or information, a detailed explanation or development. Example sentence, the professor's elaboration on the topic helped the students grasp the concept better. Synonyms, expansion, clarification, amplification. Antonym, simplification, condensation, abridgment. 14. Elastic, ELASTIC. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, stretchable, flexible, or able to return to its original shape after being stretched or compressed. Example sentence, the rubber band was highly elastic and could be stretched without breaking. Synonyms, stretchable, flexible, pliable. Antonym, inflexible, rigid, stiff. 15. Elated, ELATED. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, extremely happy, joyful, or delighted. Example sentence, she was elated when she received the news of her promotion. Synonyms, overjoyed, ecstatic, thrilled. Antonym, depressed, dejected, disheartened.